Dear blockchainers, crypto trader and community, welcome to this weekly market update provided by Teroxx, and this is what we're gonna talk about today. First of all, let us take a look on the market capitalization as well as to take a look on the market performance of the top 10 tokens and coins in BTC and USDT pairs, as well as to do a short analysis of BTC Ethereum and to have a winner and loser of this week. And last but not least, we will talk about a gem or a good project I want to show you. And now let's start. Over here, we can see the market capitalization movement of the last 7 days. And how you can see, we started this week with 236 billion USD, and now we are at around 280. So this is a plus of nearly 18% in a week on the whole market capitalization. And this, how you can see, was managed due to nice upwards trends and one huge spike. All in all, a great week for traders, a great week for investors. And now let's take a look on the market performance of the top 10 token. How you can see here in USD pairs, the last 7 days were definitely great days again. So the market is going up for at least the last 1 or 2 months now, and how you can see, all the top 10 tokens are in a plus of more than 10%. Just Binance Coin is not that strong, but Litecoin or Bitcoin SV is up more than 110%, and this is definitely a crazy week. And all the other stuff, Cardano, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Ripple, all are up more than 20%. And BTC and Ethereum gaining strong, more than 10%. And how you can see over here, switch to BTC pairs now. And of course, BTC was not the top gainer. So Ethereum, Ripple, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, they all managed to gain against BTC. So this was quite a good week to accumulate some BTC in BTC trading as well as in USD trading. Often you can see that the USD trading is more stable due to BTC is often going up strongest. But this week was quite good for both trading styles. And how you can see over here, the winners are definitely Bitcoin SV, EOS and Litecoin. Why? It's simply easy. They gained the strongest in USD pairs, especially Bitcoin SV, after all the bad news after the delisting from Binance made a huge spike and showed that it's still something. If I have to talk about a loser, it's maybe Binance Coin. How you can see, Binance Coins went up as well, but not as strong as the other market pairs. So all in all, this would be a loser of this week. If we're now analyzing BTC in a chart from the last 7 days, what we can see over here is that there is a trend line, and the trend started simply 1 week ago on the 23rd of May, and we're following nicely the upwards trend. We touched the trend line once and bounced immediately back. Of course, this trend start is a support line down at 7,540, and there was a small dip near the 8,000 barrier. So we're having a support at 7,900 as well. Then we had a huge spike to the top, and so there is the new resistance line near 8,700, and we have a small trade or quick trade support line down here at 8,440. What to say? The RSI is at 60 levels, so it's quite bullish, it's not overbought, so here is space to grow. The MA50 line is much above the MA140 line. That means that the last 50 days were quite strong if you put the other 140 in comparison. So we had strong last 50 days. We're having strong days. We had a strong week right now. And how you can see, the BTC went sideways the last 3 days. And while this sideways movement, how I showed you, the altcoin market could gain too. So basically these days were good for BTC trading. Okay, and yeah, what to say, if there is no huge dip, we can expect that this trend will be nicely followed. If not, you're seeing the support lines down here to have as maybe a sell or buy back area, or if the trend line is broken down to the bottom, you can have also a trend seen. We now analyzing Ethereum, we can see that this started as well with the dip like BTC, so we're having a support down here at 230 levels, then the market went nicely upwards and we had a small dip and a peak, so the first resistance line was built at 255 and the support line at 245. After another peak to the top, we're having two new resistance lines at 273, which was broken over here just a few hours ago, and we're having a new resistance line built at 287. For quick trading, this resistance line at 273 and the support line at 261 can be seen as support levels, and we can see that the MA50 line is much above the 140 line, so the same as in BTC. Here's the difference. We can see that the RSI is near the 70 area, so over here Ethereum gained strong, built new resistance levels, and the market seems to be quite bullish, but always keep an eye on a dip, which can definitely come along. Now, due to the BTC or the whole crypto market, how you saw went up so much that there can be a little dip anytime. So have your stop loss very tight and wait for new market movement. Let's talk about IOTA, a project I want to show you. And the IOTA is quite interesting due to its a project which having a German structure, and they are well known for cooperating with Volkswagen, with Bosch, so huge global players working together with IOTA to having an insight and overview about blockchain and crypto and how to use this within the companies. And yes, so IOTA is definitely one of the top cryptos. It's on rank 15 worldwide, so it's well known, but not that much people are interested or invested in IOTA. So the quantum proof protocol Tangle reportedly brings benefits like zero fees, infinity scalability, and fast transactions and secure data transfer. And this is something which the crypto market or the blockchain is about, and IOTA wants to provide and wants to do. And this is quite interesting. If you want to have more information on IOTA or the company IOTA, then just follow CoinMarketCap currencies or visit the website. It's definitely worth to take a look on. Thank you for watching these videos. We like this week. This week was good for all of us, and I hope you had a good week too. I hope you had good trades, you had a good time, and we will hear us next time when it comes to weekly market performance provided by Teroxx.